Hi, there's been a lot of under-the-hood changes to the Hatchet vehicle interaction framework, and I'm going to be showing you some of them and how to configure interactions for your own vehicles and for vanilla vehicles. So first of all, actually, I'm going to fix this positioning. So this interaction point is right over the horn icon here. So in the updated code, we actually have this function for finding a position where you don't have access to the model. So it's just going to be called this function here, and that hides the player model and starts this counter for the points. So what you want to do is either use track_ir or use the keybind to move your head position. Go to the escape menu, copy this code, and hit enter while your mouse is right over where you want that interaction point to be. And that gets us one point of reference, and then you can get another one by moving your head position again and then doing the same thing. So hit enter here, and now that's found that position. You can see it showing up on the white cross, and it's also have copied that position into your clipboard. So I'm going to go put that into the code. This is the off-road, and this is the horn button, so that goes right here. And then we'll just respawn it and merge the config here. Much better. And same for the lights, actually. So I'm going to reset the function here. First point of reference here. Second point of reference here. Looks alright. So let's get the lights. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so I've done this for the light strike vehicle here as well. And I'm also going to do it for the van here, just to show the process. Actually, it doesn't have a lot of interior modeled. I didn't realize that. That looks like gears, so we'll put the engine there, I suppose. Okay, so for the van, right now I don't have anything. I'm just going to copy all of the off-roads stuff. And take a look at the config. So it's van going from truck. I'm going to have to find the engine position. Reset this. First point of reference. Second point of reference. That's pretty good. And then we'll do the horn. I guess it'll just be right in the middle. So first point of reference, 1.0.2. Let's do here. Good enough. Horn position is here. And for lights, I actually don't see much that we could use. I guess I'll just use the other button here. I guess it would be on this stalk here, typically. Yeah, I'll put it on the stock here. So first point of reference. Has to be good enough. Second point of reference. Good. Let's give that a try. Oh, this probably has a different name for the weapon. So, yeah, it's cart horn, not sports car horn. So, go to the horn. Here we go. Let's try that again. There you go. Now this one, the door also opens. So let's take a look at. Oh, I'm streaming Arma, not the desktop. Here we go. So. Yeah, there we go. Here's where I've been putting the positions. Here. And it just changed the car horn. So on this one, the door also can open. So I'm going to put that into a interaction as well. So, yeah. So these are all the animation names. Door 1 source, that looks promising. That's at 1 right now, which is open, and then we'll just check that it's 0 when it's closed. Yeah, okay. So we're just going to add that interruption right now. Take horn and copy that. Door 1. Actually, it should only be active if the door is not hidden. Does this hide the door? It does. Hide door 1 source. Okay, good. So 1 is hidden. So the animation phase of hide door 1 source is going to be equal to 0. For the condition, the button is going to be door 1 open. Animate source to 1, and then duplicate that for close. Oh wait, so it's got to be not hidden, and the door has to be closed first. So it's 0, and then we'll set it to 1. So duplicate that again. It's not hidden and closed. Let's close. Here. For the coordinates, so we'll just use that's the door handle here, right? Looks like it, maybe? Yeah, it is. Okay, so reset the position finding. Oh, right. We're 0 out of 2. Put the mouse here. And a different head position. Here. That's not bad. I'm just going to stick that. Wow, thanks AI. Didn't need all of that. Here we go. Alright, let's give that a try. Did not work. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Let's get some quotation marks in there. Still. Okay. Always an animate door. Just animate. Ah, there we go. So animate door. There we go. Oh, and then for the close, you actually want a different position, I think. So we'll reset this. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so first point of reference here. 1 out of 2. Second point. Nice. You want that here, and these are different because the door moves. That makes sense. Alright, let's take a look at that. Open, close. Open, close. Excellent. Yeah, so it's a pretty decent system. We can get some pretty cool interactions. You can open. We'll try to get to where you can open the doors. Maybe set the picture-in-picture view distance on the mirrors if it gets laggy or something like that. Lots of bits that can be manipulated, animations that are hidden in the vanilla game. That door, the rear door, that could be exposed through something like this without making a mess of the action menu here with the scroll wheel. So look forward to that. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.